Angry Eric has fan mail.
That's it.
Fan mail.
It's pretty awesome.
It's a dildo.
It's a little small for him.
Wow, that's a starter pack. What do we got there?
You have mail.
Me?
Yeah.
Oh, get the hell out
I'm
of
dead
Eric
serious.
Mail opening session.
Read who it's addressed to.
Angry Eric, please.
Oh my god. Dude, this is getting a picture. Is this for real?
He was helping me while I was unloading the car.
Was he? I was wondering where he was at.
Blinker fluid. Synthetic blend.
No, is it?
Yeah, it is.
Synthetic blend.
Fluid.
That is great, man.
That is pretty
Is there actually anything in there, or is it empty?
No, it's
bottle?
empty.
No, I was gonna say. Give to someone who does not know shit about vehicles or lacks common sense.
That's great. This is the guy that's probably getting ready to work on my car.
That's good.
That is too funny.
He'll hang out there all day.
You got a mail time.
Oh man, that's funny.
It's a little chilly.
What's up everybody and welcome back to the channel. Hope you enjoyed that little bonus video yesterday of Mike's McLaren on the dyno. We got a couple other things going on today. We finish up that blue C706 that we did in F1A 94 Pro Charger 2. That is a manual car. We also have a black C706 on the dyno that has another F1A 94 Pro Charger on it. That doesn't have a cam or anything like that, so it's a lot milder of a setup, but we just finished a fuel system on that car. Let's go check out some of the progress so far. Eric is almost done with the ProCharged C706. He's working on the fuel system right now.
Sure am. Look at that. What a guy. Got the meth tank mounted. Looks good. Nice and factory looking. Looks good. So I guess he decided to go with the red insert. The valve covers are actually getting powder coated right now. They're going to be blue, so I guess he wanted red to match his interior and his brakes. We will have to see once it's all done. So clutch is pretty much done on this, and then we're going to do head cam on that car, which it looks like you've already started.
Yeah, I got bored.
You got bored. You got bored. Nice.
Toll lady was like, "Wow, those are fancy." Thank you.
Those are
Thanks
fancy.
for the $4. Well, it's probably $20 for this.
Class 2 for the
Yeah.
first time in my life, so it was like $25.
A little shorter guy too.
Yep.
Good.
We had 26. We had 28 before, right?
I don't know. It's probably still about it. It's like a 27. It's a 325, 35. Yeah. What's that? A 345.
45, 35, 18.
So yeah, that's just a little shorter.
A little bit.
That's good though. That'll help.
You think?
Yeah, oh, yeah.
About time you did something.
Idaho license plate.
Idaho, Idaho.
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 Absolutely unbelievable. So I didn't realize the fender folded down. So I'm over here climbing out of the roof like a jackass, and here I could have done this the whole time.
Yeah, it just has these little like
Pin.
deep hood things.
Well, gee, friend, thanks for telling me,
Hey,
buddy.
man.
I appreciate it.
So let's see if the door opens now. Oh man.
You got it off or am I
Yeah,
done?
go ahead.
Put your head in there.
Dude, my head could so fit in that thing.
Do it. I need a thumbnail.
You do wear a small hat.
Inspect my tip.
You'll get a lot of followers on your Instagram.
Yeah.
Do it for the gram.
Do it for the gram.
Come on. You know you're thinking about it.
Yeah.
It sounds much better than punching.
I would think pretty much well over 1,000.
Just lining up pro charger.
Lining them up, yeah. That one's got a pro charger on it too. So.
It's only angry at Steve, Eric.
What did you say this morning when we were standing over this car? You're like,
Oh yeah, I was like, oh, so I guess he went with red, and you're like, no, he went with blue, and I'm like, thanks, buddy.
yeah, like,
He asks rhetorical, stupid questions.
They're called leading questions to get you to talk about what you're gonna do.
like an
It's
interview.
really hard to do when you're on this side, when you have people like,
If they want to cooperate,
No.
it's Eric doesn't seem like he cooperates.
no, he does not. Tyler's been better, but recently he's been hanging out with Eric too much, and now he's giving me lip.
Better hope we don't start hanging out with Fran too often.
Seriously, Jesus.
heat earlier. I was like, holy,
Who?
Tyler.
getting angry at him. I was
Yeah.
like, man, you might be more angry than I am over there.
He is a little angry. Oh, I remember this one. I remember because of those red battles.
Oh, it had like 300 miles on it when we first did it.
Yeah,
2,096 right now.
driving the shit out of it.
Yeah.
It tracks it a lot, doesn't it?
Yeah.
We didn't do a cam or anything in this, did we?
Not yet.
No.
Nah.
How much?
It's it makes like 18 pounds.
Okay.
It's just headers, a pro charger, and map. And now flex fuel. Literally, they had the plows down in front of me. I was going 35 on 495. I'm like, then after a while, because I was like 4 trucks behind them, they just lifted their plows and they were just salting. I'm like, there's nothing on the road.
Hi.
I can't believe this kid drove here today. From Sea Isle.
Sea Isle, really?
Yeah. Yeah, he said it was just raining at his house. Almost 2 hours, I would think.
Well, in a day like today.
Yeah.
In a day like today, probably too.
Yeah.
Damn, good for him.
This thing just got delivered.
I saw. Pulled it
Did you?
inside.
Yeah, Nick dropped it off last night. It's from Virginia, but it's got a New York tag.
A little Grand Sport.
Yeah, I don't know if the guy bought it and shipped it to us before he picked it up.
It looks clean, other than the snow.
Yeah. Yeah, it was at a dealer. Like, we picked it up from a dealer. And we're doing like a blower and
This might be the cleanest freaking C6 headlights I've ever seen.
It's brand new. It's like well, not brand new, but it's a 12 or newer.
Yeah, but they're like perfect. Usually they're all pitted and by now.
Yeah, what is D? 13? Because A is 10, right?
I like it.
Yeah,
It's definitely clean.
Yeah, I don't mind this color. I was gonna say I don't like this color. I don't mind this color.
Yeah, it's like a grayish blue.
It is a 2013.
Nice.
Yeah, I think we're doing a Cameron blower. Or we're definitely doing a blower, but.
Nice. So, more dirt bike riding at lunch?
Yeah.
Another snow day?
Maybe I can actually use my plow that I bought that I haven't used yet.
No, you probably won't.
Nah.
It's like slush. Like we came this morning and
Well, the whole rest of the storm isn't supposed to start until
11.
like, yeah, later.
Yeah. It's a little nitrous on this.
I guess.
Ooh, V1.
Valentine, yeah.
I remember when like those were like the thing to have.
I have one. That's shit.
I have a passport. Whatever. So you tuned this before?
Yeah, and something was wrong with the nitrous when it was here before. It didn't work or something, so he fixed it and brought it back.
Oh, hey, buddy.
Hi.
So clutch is done on the other car.
It is.
Heads cam time on this car.
Yep. I'm really resisting to say something smart back to you asking stupid questions.
You should. You should resist and just cooperate.
I do sometimes.
You do. But then recently,
But then you come up and ask me questions like, hey, do you know it's snowing outside?
I didn't ask that.
Yet.
Why would I ask? It's not pertinent information. God, I'm so angry. But these heads look pretty new.
That's why when I put them on, I'm like, they look really nice, but they're stock heads.
They look decent. So what are you doing there, buddy?
Trunnion upgrade.
Nice.
Take old stuff out, put new stuff in.
So yeah, so we use the stock rockers on our heads cam package. You don't really need to upgrade the rockers. Great. So these are the little needle bearings that go inside the regular bearing, and you pull those old ones out because those tend to break and cause an issue. And the trunnion upgrade removes that, has a caged bearing setup. Does this have the brass bush option or no?
Don't believe so.
Those don't, but you can do it. It's not necessary.
New. Old.
I don't know if I can see it. Hang on here.
New.
Yeah, so it's got that little C-clip on the outside too, so it keeps it enclosed. It's not always necessary, but it's a nice thing to do.
Yeah.
So Tyler's pressing them in.
This little thing that slides over that holds your bearings in. Trunnion upgrade, like he said, has a cage set.
Nice. So that's going on the red C6 Z06 you're doing right now, right? Cool. Good job, Tyler.
Thanks.
Thanks for cooperating.
You're welcome.
What a nice guy.
Don't expect it later.
I won't. You know, you gotta teach Eric how to do that.
Do what, cooperate?
Yes, cooperate.
That's like talking to a brick wall.
I know. It's over a wall that gives you lit. And the last update, the F1A94 C706 is done. We are still going to be putting the powder-coated valve covers on, but we wanted to get it finished up so we could tune it. So it is done, ready to roll. We'll see what it does on the dyno.
Yeah.
So what are we doing to this thing anyways? Besides wrapping it, don't give me the obvious.
I was gonna say that.
Don't give me the obvious.
I was literally gonna say that.
Well, besides wrapping the fenders like we do every car, Eric, what are we doing to this car?
I'm pretty sure heads cam and our ice tank, maybe flex fuel.
Okay.
I'm not sure. I have to look at the parts list. So
Okay. All right.
wrapping the fenders for now.
I'll come help you now that you're cooperative.
Ready to go.
There you have it, everybody. Enjoy your weekend. As always, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like and subscribe. We will see you next week. And our merchandise always available on our website, raceprovenmotorsports.com. Hats, t-shirts, license plate frames, everything. We'll see you Wednesday.